Hi Juicies! Andito kami ngayon sa Singapore and eto po ang toiletries na binigay sa amin ng hotel. And you know what? Dahil tayo ay brand owner at loyal tayo, kunin natin to, natin dyan, kunin natin to, hindi natin gagamitin yung mga yan. Gagamitin natin ay, tadan! Tadan! Oh, ang ganda pala nito ah. And tadan! 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 Of course. Ito favorite ko to. Tapos, may super duper favorite facial foam. Of course, mawawala ba to? Ano ba? Hey, toothbrush. Let's put it here. Yan, wait lang, yusin natin. There you are. Lagyan natin to. And then, yan, may lip tint. Tapos, ayan, sa asawa ko to. Lagyan natin yan dyan. And, eto naman sa asawa ko to, tinted sunscreen. Remember nung naglabas tayo ng ganitong bottle kasi naubusan tayo. So, yan. And then, of course, my ever favorite Centella Asiatica cream. And then, this one. Oh, sobrang ganda nito if you have diabetes. And then, maganda din to sa may mga, to protect your heart. Kasi may nattokinase yan, really good for the heart. And this is my husband's toothbrush. Lagyan natin yan dyan. Yan, and suklay ni hubby. So, yan po ang aking essentials. Yan.